Good evening, folks. This is Ankur here, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. So, yesterday I had given you two calls. One is MGL, and another one is Interglobe Aviation, that is Indigo Airlines. So, with respect to MGL, I have suggested you that the channel support would be 1087, and the resistance would be 1111, which is 1111. So, what we saw today that MGL opened at 1108 and it crossed the resistance and it made a high of 1133, right? So what happened, what we saw was that was our 111 mark, right? The stock happened to cross this and there is no correction, right? We didn't see any correction in the price action, and so that we can say that it breached the resistance from the top like this and we can short. So I can show you that in 5 minute or 3 minute channel. See, it opened here and it took a support. We didn't see any correction in the price action, and the stock did the rally. So therefore there was no trade setup. If you know the price action well, and there is, if you see the correction here, you could have gone for a long. The second stock watch I suggested was Interglobe Aviation. So what happened in Interglobe Aviation is, again, if you see with 3 minutes or 5 minute channel, there was no closing above support channel. The support which I suggested was 1709. So the stock happened to this at 10:15. You see, it happened to move above 1709 and made a high of 1711, but didn't close above it. And we got an opportunity at 1454. The stock closed above 1710 and made a high of 1720. Right. So always remember that how I teach you to take a trade in the calls, right? If this is your support line, right, and if the stock is closing below this, wait for 3 minutes or 5 minutes, right? And then if it is closing below the support line, go for a short. Similarly, if it is moving like that and coming and settling above the support line, and if there is a closing on 3 minute or 5 minute candle, then with the same stop loss you can go ahead, right? So this is how we have to trade. Now for tomorrow, I would like to continue the both trades accordingly. See what happened in Indigo, that Indigo happened to close above 1714. Therefore, our 1709, right? This support and 1743, this resistance is still valid for tomorrow. If you see that stock is moving below 1709 and crossing above 1709 and closing any candle closing above 1709, you can go for a long. And if this is 1743, if this is 1743, if the stock is moving above and rejecting and there is a rejection price candle and any 3 or 5 minute candles closing below 1743, you can go for a short. Similarly, the same trade will be applicable for the MGL, Mahanagar Gas Limited, right? If this channel, it took a support, sorry, it didn't take a support, it break the resistance and settled above resistance at 1127, right? Our support was triple one, right? Triple one, I mean 1111, 1111, that was our resistance. That was our resistance. This was our resistance. So this will act as a support for tomorrow. This will act as a support for tomorrow. So if you see that stock in any weakness coming and touching the level of 111, if there is a hammer or some kind of a bullish price action, and the stock is settling above uh, 1111 and it is closing above in 3 or 5 minute candle, you can take a fresh buy call from there, right? Now the most important point I would like to discuss for today is, let's see what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yesterday I said that I don't want to have any comments on Nifty Bank Nifty. Let's see what will happen today. So we saw a gap of approximately 130 points in Nifty futures, right? So far, I have posted two calls on two videos, I would say, on Nifty with respect to the weekly channels. So resistance was so far 15,029, right? That was our highest resistance. Now after the gap, that resistance has become a support. So the Nifty closed today at 15,144. With that view, there is a gap of approximately 130. I just rounded off to 130. I think it is close to 120. I made a round figure. So it may happen so that Nifty might fill that gap, right? Nifty might fill that gap. So the support right now will be 15,029, and the second support would be 14,897. Perhaps when the Nifty fills up that gap and take these two supports, then again it can start a upward rally. The next resistance from where Nifty closed today after the gap is 15,180, 15,256, and 15,326. Let's see what happened in Bank Nifty. With respect to Bank Nifty futures chart, this series, Bank Nifty also has shown a good gap of approximately 400 points. Again, I think the gap was around 394, 393, but I made a round figure of 400. So far, if you have seen my previous videos on the weekly channel, I have said that the weekly resistance for the Bank Nifty for previous weeks was 33,585. That was coming as the highest level. Now, since the Bank Nifty closed today at 34,045, so 33,585 will become as a weekly support channel. And from here, the next two resistance for the Bank Nifty would be 34,386 and 34,851, right? 34,386 and 34,851 would be two immediate resistance for the current expiry, right? So I hope you have made a note of all those things. I have mentioned the levels on the screen for you can take a screenshot and you can see it not necessary that you will trade in futures. You can mark a note of these levels and you can trade in options, right? You can have a look at the futures, and whenever these levels comes, if you see a rejection, any rejection in 3 minute 5 minute candlestick around 34,386 like we used to do in stocks, you can buy at the money or in the money put, correct? So the calls for tomorrow will remain the same, no changes as such. The MGL would remain the same. The resistance suggested to in MGL was 1111, which was 1111, and the MGL happened to close much above that, 1127. So any weakness tomorrow, if you see, it has created a kind of a morning star pattern. However, any weakness, any correction, a small correction in the Nifty tomorrow, if you see a stock coming and touching the resistance level, which was 1111, and there is a good price action support level, and the stock is closing above a 1 1 level. Suppose, for example, this is your 111, and in correction, it came back and again settled above 111. Here, any closing above 3 to 5 minutes, go and buy MGL immediately. And similarly with Interglobe Aviation, the resistance support will remain still the same, 1709 and 1743. If it crosses 1709 from below, right, from below like this, if from below like this and settling above it, go for a long immediately. And if from 1743 any rejection and coming back and closing below 1743, go for a short. So these were the two things. No changes in the calls as such. The levels will remain the same. Still, I don't want to give any call with respect to the Bank Nifty in spite of that much extraordinary rally. Better I have given you the Bank Nifty levels and Nifty levels. Keep an eye on that, and you can trade according to levels in the options. So thank you for watching my channel, Technical Analysis, the Unbiased View. Do subscribe, keep supporting. Bye bye.